In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious sub roll sandwich recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quake Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need sub roll, 1 cup of sliced ham, half a cup of bacon bits, half a cup of mini tomatoes sliced, half a cup of sliced green pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 cup of cubed mozzarella, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Use a knife to cut out the center of the loaf. In the center, we're going to add the shredded mozzarella cheese, sliced ham, bacon, cubed mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, tomatoes, green peppers, and oregano. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. Our sub roll sandwich is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.